If you're wondering how to change the taillight bulb in your F30, wonder no more. Welcome back. I'm Dylan with Beamer Tech. Bulbs burn out all the time, and while this isn't a product we sell, we thought you might want to know how to replace the taillight bulb in your F30. Now just keep in mind, anytime you're working with these bulbs, you either want to wear rubber gloves or don't touch the glass, because the oil in your fingers can cause the bulbs to fail early. Here are the tools you'll need. Just our Beamer Tech pry tool and a 10mm socket. First, open your trunk to reveal the access panel for the taillight you need to replace the bulbs on. Use your Beamer Tech pry tool to remove the panel like so. If you don't have one of these, click the link in the description to get yours. Next, take your 10mm socket and remove the two nuts holding in the taillight assembly. You may need to use the pry tool to help work the taillight assembly out. You should place your hand on the side to make sure it doesn't pop free and hit the ground. Disconnect the plug from the rear of the light. Your pry tool may be helpful. Once you have the assembly free, you're going to want to remove the bulb unit from the back. Do that by freeing up the 4 clips here. Pop them out one at a time and the assembly will come out. Once the unit is free, take the dead bulb out by pressing down and rotating it. Put the new one in the opposite way. If you have to touch the bulb, make sure you wipe the glass well. Reassemble everything by simply putting everything back the opposite way you took it out. Give your lights a quick test to make sure that everything is working, and that way you can enjoy the peace of mind of knowing that everyone can see you stopping once more. Again, while these bulbs are not something we sell on our website, we want to make sure that your BMW is well maintained so that way you can continue to enjoy the ultimate driving experience. For more tips and tricks about BMWs and how Beamer Tech can help you with your ride, make sure you hit subscribe and don't forget to ring that bell. Thanks for stopping by.